Building Information Modeling (BIM) and Cloud Computing for a Hybrid Work Model in the Post-COVID Era. By Sogo Abiola Oysod, Victor Yus Akaim and Steve B. Jayoba. The narrative of work has changed globally since the emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic in the year 2020 till date. The work from home (WFH) model, which took various businesses time to effectively adapt, became popular following the lockdown of over 9 months globally. The architecture, engineering, and construction (AEC) sector was not left out. Organizations that could adapt, however, recorded significant operational cost savings with the WFH model, and continued with a hybrid work model after the relaxation of the lockdown. With either the WFH or the hybrid work model, the combination of building information modeling (BIM) and cloud computing technologies became unavoidable by AEC firms for effective collaboration and seamless productivity. This study examines the role of BIM and cloud computing in successfully implementing a hybrid work model for AEC firms. It also examines the readiness of firms to operate the hybrid work model and the possible barriers to its successful implementation. Quantitative data was gathered from registered architectural firms using a close-ended structured questionnaire. Using a simple random sampling method, a total of 140 survey responses were analyzed using descriptive statistics and the Relative Importance Index (RII). Findings revealed that the utilization level of the cloud-based file storage and sharing system within the BIM work process is still very low among firms, with less than 20% of the respondents actively operating on a cloud-based server. The study also revealed high BIM setup and maintenance cost as the greatest barrier for firms in transitioning to a cloud-based system, with a mean score of 4.74 and an RI value of 0.95. The study recommends greater awareness of the cloud server system amongst firms' top-level management for increased financial investment for daily operational cost savings that the hybrid work model offers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.